dancing tonight. I wanna hit that high, yeah, yeah. Jitterbug.
Well, it's about a barkada of teenagers and their struggle and their everyday life as a high school student in a certain school na iba-iba yung mga personalities na nakikilala nila and how they cope with the realities and vagaries of teenage life. The story of the generation now, which is very different. You know, you are dealing with Facebook, the Twitter generation, instant ang information. They feel self-entitlement. They feel they need to be recognized. Iba na yung dynamics of a friendship before and a friendship now. Hindi ka mag-respond sa Twitter or hindi ka mag-respond sa Facebook, magkakatampuhan na. Or may mangyari sa isang tao, automatic alam na lahat ng buong school na may nangyari. So ang bilis. Even information that they need, they don't have to ponder on something, instantly someone else will answer it for them. So, you know, it's more confusing in that sense na bago makapag-isip yung isang teenager ngayon ng desisyon ng sarili niya, ang daming nagsasabi sa kanya, itong gawin mo. So it's very different. You know, from the generation of TGIS, now tweens, it's very different. I think what we're just trying to say is that these are the different personalities present, and this is how they interplay now when it comes to their family, their group dynamics, to falling in love, you know, the preteen problems and realities that they face.
This is a story about mainly Agbarkada, a group of high school kids na actually kasi sa school na may mga cliques tayo, di ba? We focused on different cliques sa high school. So we have yung tawag namin yung Imba Triumvirate. Sila yung tatlo na parang loser kids. That's si Barbie, si Bea, at saka si Elmo. Because almost non-existent ako ng social life, they thought of like having this dare list of things to do para ma-improve yung kanilang social standing sa school, para mas maging popular sila, mapansin sila, and maybe along the way, find love.
It's a very youth-oriented movie. It's a story about friendship. It's about how teenagers, especially the younger teenagers, transition to being adults, to being more independent. But this movie also teaches all of us the importance of being true to oneself.
Marami nagtatanong sa amin kung anong pagkakaiba ng Twin Hearts at saka Tweens, the class of 2012 na tungkol sa kwento at saka sa mga artista. Parehong-pareho mga artista pero iba't iba mga characters at saka iba't ibang kwento ng Tweens the movie at saka Twin Hearts the TV show. Ang Tweens kasi ang ibig sabihin, matanda ng konti sa teenagers at saka mas bata naman sa adult. So kaya tawag nila Tweens. Kasi we decided to do the movie kasi we believe in the stars of Twin Hearts and the Tweens per se. Ngayon nakita namin that we have network stars na nag-uumpisa pa lang sa kanilang mga sarili-sariling career. And nakakitaan na namin sila ng iba't ibang talents and we really want to develop them.
The time is ripe to have this kind of movie. It will define the generation today. Aside from that, we have the most popular twin stars in the whole country. And nakita naman natin yung frenzy sa kanila. They're really a phenomenon sa TV, phenomenon sila sa mga mall shows, phenomenon sila wherever they go. And it's about time that they hit the big screen.
Jitterbug.